We're at Autobahn Speedway, somewhere Illinois. It's Joliet. Wasn't planning on driving here, that's for goddamn sure. But we're here now. Drive our car fast, have some fun. Should be sick. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, bye. Got some watermelon. Grandma packed me some watermelon. We can just record a little video.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Gonna drive fast today for half the day at least. Then we'll pack up the car again for the millionth time and head home. Another day, another track, another cup of cereal. All right, we're gonna hop behind this Miata here and see if we can figure out this track. 3.5 miles a lap is a lot to learn, a lot to try to figure out. But hey, we're here, we're gonna do it. Learning the track all morning on the RS4s, and they're noisy today. We went lawn mowing here. Turned something pretty late in the track. High speed left-hander off into the grass. Hopefully my little bumper cam got it. Pretty glorious, grass going everywhere, dirt, all kinds of cool stuff. Just went too off on the outside and steered it back onto the track, kept ripping. Volkswagen had a wheel fall off. Not surprised, but a pretty crazy looking GTI or something. Big arrow, all this stuff. And left front came off right in the pit lane, so we were black flagged on the track for a while. Anyway, back in here now. I'm gonna probably run another session or two since that one didn't really go anywhere. Plenty of grass. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, we got some chunks of asphalt. Oh my god. Oh my god, we got rubber, asphalt. Pretty sure we got a freaking dinosaur bone. Alright, we got all that junk out of the brake ducts. Time to rip some fast laps here. Let's see what we can do. All right, I'm 6 laps deep in this session. It's like 80 something degrees out. Everything's getting hot already. Brakes, tires, me, I'm sweating. But this Expo, Crossbow, whatever it's called, is right on me, and I'm gonna try to chase it a little bit because it looks fast. Should make for a good time at least. Jeez, does he pull away from me on the straights. But hey, seems like I can catch him in the braking zones and a lot of the corners too, especially when I can carry some momentum. got pretty lucky so far, getting past all the slow traffic about the same time as the crossbow. But eventually I got caught up in this pick and roll with this Miata. But it was a fun chase while it lasted. But after this, I just couldn't catch back up to him, and I was pretty cooked. Brakes were almost going to the floor. So, wasn't good. I was about done anyway. Time to go home in one piece. Off-road excursion here. We got a little bit of splitter damage. We'll just have to get some Gorilla Tape, some duct tape on there, just like we got over here. Been rocking solid for over 2 seasons now, 2 years. Well, that's all she wrote. We're out of Gorilla Tape. Sponsor me, Gorilla Tape. Taped up our splitter. Yeah. Gonna be aero on the drive home. Super fun day here at I don't even know what track we're at anymore. Autobahn Country Club, Joliet, Illinois. Great time. Time to pack up the junk in the trunk. It's about 3 p.m., 3:15, and I gotta drive 11 hours home to Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. It's gonna suck, but it's the price you pay. Told to rock and roll. We did it. We ripped it. We ripped it. This guy's going home on the hook. Not us, brother. Not us. We are going home. Loaded to the gills. Loaded to the gills. But we're going home. Hopefully it's not leaking. I guess I'll check it when I stop and get some dinner. Shout out to Sean at Laps for running a really great event. And also big shout out to Nathan at Envious Images for taking all the really cool shots of the car throughout the day. Next track episode is going to be Club Motorsports up in New Hampshire and Dominion in Virginia.